For example, the patient wants is medical records. That time the clinic will have to provide the medical records, but then they can charge a reasonable fee for that. Okay, so if patient is asking, I want to review the medical records, in that case, a practice will have to give that. So there are certain exceptions, like you don't have to always obey the patient or you don't have to always provide the reports. In cases like psychotherapy notes, and then for information that needs to be withheld due to for like legal proceedings, say it's in a court of law, in that case you don't have to. And certain lab tests you can hide. Due to some, it's for a public health purpose, they can hide such information. You don't have to provide this patient all the time, even though they requested. But one thing needs to be done, which is you need to maintain the confidentiality and you need to tell the patients their rights and privileges, if now what action they can take against a physician if their rights are being violated. Everything will need to be maintained, and all the electronic version also, it's like software, there also they can post it, or on the website there also they can post it, and let the patients aware of their rules and privileges, and that the practice makes a due and diligent efforts to maintain and to preserve the protected health information. That's actually the essence. They get an acknowledgement, they get the signatures from the patient and make it as a complete record, so that the practices can also remain on the safer side.